Hello everybody, happy Friday and welcome to our rather different, again, Pupil of the Week celebration assembly. So because we're not all in school together and we can't have our normal assemblies and I can't walk around and come to your classrooms like I normally do on a Friday, I've asked the teachers to send me their nominations for Pupil of the Week, and I'm going to read out what they've said about how wonderful you've been, and then you will be awarded your Pupil of the Week badge. Now, because some of us are at home and some of us are at school, it's a bit of a tricky one as to how you're going to get your badge. If you are in school and you're awarded Pupil of the Week, I will come and give it to you in your classroom as I normally will, and give you a bit of an elbow bump and say congratulations. If you are working at home at the minute and doing your home learning, then you are very welcome to come and collect your badge from the front office. I will put your name on a little bag like this and pop your badge inside, and if you have time or you're able to, you can come and collect your badge. I'm giving you very special permission. If you can't get to school, don't worry, I will let your teacher have your badge, and next time you're in school it'll be all ready and waiting for you, so please don't worry. So one way or another you will get your Pupil of the Week badge, because I know it's really important. So get your drum rolls ready, get your big claps ready. You might want to do a round of applause, you might want to do a marshmallow clap, you might want to do a silent cheer. Get them ready, and then you can join in as we normally would when someone is awarded Pupil of the Week. So we shall start off with class. Let's start off at the top of the school in year 6. So we have nominations for class Redwood, Sycamore and Cedar. The class Redwood nomination has come from Mrs. Williams, and she says this person has engaged brilliantly in online learning and is working especially hard on her reading. Keep it up. And that person is, drum roll please, Sophie in class Redwood. Congratulations and well done. This is your badge. You can come and collect it if you can at some point. That'd be lovely to see. Well done, Sophie. That's lovely to hear. Now, Miss Mason for class Sycamore says that this week she has chosen someone very special. Not only has he not been back at school very long with us, but this is his second lockdown. This person has engaged with his online learning, and when Miss Mason spoke to him, he was happy, upbeat and motivated to complete the work. She is super proud, as she knows the last lockdown was very tricky. And so, some of you may have guessed already, who's come back to class Sycamore recently? Drum roll please. That person is Thomas. Congratulations, Thomas in class Sycamore. We are very proud of you. Well done, you. Now, class Cedar, Mr. Law has sent quite a short explanation, and I know if Mr. Law was doing this video, it might be a little bit longer, mightn't it? But this person has an excellent attitude towards her learning, particularly in reading. Wow, so important. That excellent attitude will get you far. That Pupil of the Week badge is for, drumroll please, Millie in class Sycamore. Well done you. We are very, very proud. Right, let's move on to year 5. We'll go in reverse chronological order down the school. Class Holly. Now this person has been doing their learning at home, and again has been displaying an excellent attitude towards his work, and has been doing some really great home learning. So this person is, drum roll please, Lewis in class Holly. Well done. Miss Smith is very proud, as am I, Lewis. Well done you. That's super to hear. Now class Chestnut, moving across. Oh, almost dropped the badge. Miss Burton has said this person has put in a lot of effort into his home learning, another boy. It is clear that he has shown resilience and flexibility with the quick switch we have had to do to online learning. And Miss Burton's right. We have gone from one day thinking we'd be in school on Tuesday, just like that, we're having to work from home, some of us, and that's been a bit tricky, hasn't it? So this person has done a great job. It says Miss Burton and Miss Smith particularly like the physical timeline he made of eras throughout history, ready for their Victorian topic. Now that sounds a bit tricky. A timeline of eras. I think I might need to have a look and see if I can find that. So this person is Harry in class Chestnut. Well done. Oh, badge is upside down. Well done you, Harry. That badge is for you. If you are able to come and collect it, that would be wonderful. Right, year 4, it's all about you. We have got someone in class Larch Mrs. Mann has nominated for her lovely positive attitude to all of her learning and for her continued increase in confidence in maths and for her friendliness and kindness to everyone. Wow, kindness is one of our school values and so is so important. So this person, gosh, I'm very proud of you for showing kindness and friendliness to everyone. This person is Molly. Now Molly is in school with us this week, so I can come and find Molly and give you your Pupil of the Week badge. Well done, Molly. I am very proud of you. Now, Mr. Taylor for Class Hazel has nominated another person who's working at home at the moment, and he has said that this person has made a fantastic start to their online learning, particularly in being independent. Now, independent is also one of our our character strengths that we work on at Outwards Edge. And sometimes being independent, that means working by yourself, can be really tricky, especially if you know mum's next door doing her work or dad's upstairs in the office working from home as well. Sometimes it's easy to go, Mum, can you come and help me? Dad, I need help with this. But actually, being independent and working on your own is really important, particularly at the minute. And I know your teachers are thinking carefully about the work that they give you so that as much as possible can be independent, so that poor mum and dad and whoever else is at home, they can do their work at home as well. So, in Class Hazel, the person who's made a fantastic start and is being independent is Eva Faith. Well done, you. We are very, very proud. This is your Pupil of the Week badge. Now, we are on Year 3, aren't we? Let's have a look and see. So, again, we've got one in school and one out of school, which is a really lovely balance to have. For Class Spruce, this person is doing their learning from home at the moment. And apparently they have been doing some fantastic online learning and showing really great optimism. Now, optimism was our character strength for our assembly this week, wasn't it? And it means looking for the positives in things. So this situation is really tricky, but this person is not only doing great online learning, but is being optimistic, looking for positives as well. That's great. So Class Spruce, the person is Freya N. Well done, Freya. You are a superstar. This is your badge for you. Now, our in-school person is in Class Birch, and Miss Oldham says this person has been incredibly kind and optimistic, another one looking for the positives, and has been a great team member. Gosh, also really important. Some great examples of our character strengths. So well done. That person in Class Birch is Florence. So well done, Florence. You are a superstar. I shall bring this badge down to you, give you a bit of a socially distant elbow bump, and say very well done. Right, we're down to Year 2. This is going so speedily. For Class Pine, Mr. Cook has said that this person has shown a super attitude and maturity through this week's changes. Now, maturity is a tricky word. That means being really grown up and being really sensible and taking all of those changes and being like, yeah, okay, we can do this. Fantastic attitude, being really grown up. That person is Hunter. Well done, Hunter. What a superstar. Well done. This badge is for you. I should come and bring it and give you a elbow bump. Right, Class Beach, Mr. Onions has named another one of our character strengths. This person has shown curiosity. Curiosity. Can you remember what that means? We had an assembly on it last term, didn't we? It means wondering and asking questions about things and thinking, oh, how does that work? Or I wonder why this happens. Or what happens if I do this? Being curious is a great character strength. And this person has been curious and doing science experiments at home. Now, my brother, his name is Russell Kitson. He is Dr. Russell Kitson. He's not a medical doctor. He's like a clever science doctor, and he loves science. So he will be very impressed when I tell him that pupils at Outwards Edge have been doing science experiments at home. So well done if you are one of those people. But Mr. Onions has specially chosen, are you ready? Daniel R. Well done, Daniel. You are a superstar. Well done for being curious. That is a fantastic character strength. So this is your Pupil of the Week badge. Now, Miss Mrs. Smith and Mrs. Wilkins have written me a bit of an essay for year one because, gosh, they are so proud. In Class Willow, Mrs. Smith would like to nominate this person again for People of the Week. Now, that is a clue that tells me that this person has been nominated before. He has shown such kindness towards everyone and a lot of patience. Wow, patience is tricky sometimes. We are also extremely impressed with his enthusiasm. So we've got patience, enthusiasm, and kindness. Wow, 3 fantastic character strengths. And that person is... His sister has also been nominated. Stanley, it is for you. Well done. Brother and sister team getting it in 1 week. That is wonderful. Well done, you two. And Class Ash, Mrs. Wilkins says, this person has been nominated for always working hard with everything she does and also having such a positive attitude to learning. The first post on Tapestry, when they were year one were doing their home learning, was of this person smiling and getting on with their home learning, just getting on with it. It says she joins in whatever and wherever we are. And Mrs. Wilkins has also said, and she keeps me going too. We all need people like that in our classrooms. This person, who I have to say is wonderfully smiley whenever I see her, is Imogen. Well done, you. You are a superstar. This is your People of the Week badge. Right way around. I shall make sure it's at the front office for you to collect if you are able to. That's wonderful. And last but not least, we are down in the foundation. So I know that Miss Hill and Miss Manager found this really tricky because there's so many children who've been doing a great job. Learning from home when you're really small is especially tough. So great job, foundation stage. Miss Hill has chosen this person for super learning at home so far. Really great. She's very impressed. This person is James. Well done, James. You are a superstar. Keep up the hard work on your home learning. Well done, you. And last, but certainly not least, for Class Acorn, Miss Mallow said this person has been fantastic with his home learning the last few days, and we've been really impressed by the effort he's putting into all his work. He has shown a real interest in our new pirates topic and researched and told us some excellent facts on a video on Tapestry. Think about if that might be you. Have you put a video on Tapestry of pirate facts? We can see, Miss Mallow says, we can see how hard he's working with his writing at home too. Well done. And that person is Jackson. Well done, you, Jackson. That is fantastic news. Congratulations. I also make sure your Pupil of the Week badge is at the front of the office. Now, we didn't do claps in between. Normally in assembly, we do them at the end of each person, didn't we? But actually, I've been talking at you for 13 minutes already, and it will take ages to upload. So we'll do one big clap at the end. You can choose either do a round of applause, marshmallow clap, silent cheer, or just a normal round of applause. So you choose. Well done, everyone. I'm going to do a bit of everything. Congratulations to this week's Pupil of the Week. I am very proud of you. Your names will be on the newsletter. If you're in school, I will take a photograph. If you're at home and you hear this, please ask mum or dad, whoever's at home, to send a photograph of you. If you can send one with your People of the Week badge, even better. But even if not, we'd love to have a picture of your lovely smiling face up in school and on WeDuck to share and celebrate with everybody. Thank you very much for listening. Congratulations again to our Pupils of the Week. I can't wait to see who's nominated next week for some fabulous work in school and at home, and I shall see you soon.